ship. We are making our way back into New York, baby. Welcome home. It's time to say goodbye to the Venezia. Passing Little Island. Almost there. Here comes our tug. Here comes your little tugboat coming to help. I don't know what it is about this, but this intrigues me so much, doesn't it? Morning, sir. Do you have coffee? Look how calm the river is. Get to see the Empire State Building.
Those are all the towers at 34.
You can see Chrysler Building in the back. Oh, we're back to our city.
Vanderbilt's right behind behind that person. It's Vanderbilt. That's the one it's called.
Needs to look out for the wind.
Should we see the cheese graters? We're at 34.
It's pretty wild up here, isn't it? It's a little chilly. Could you imagine coming in the winter? I'd still do it. you, Captain Massimo, for taking us on such a wonderful trip and bringing us back home safe. There's already traffic on the Hudson this early. Hey, Joe. We live in New York City.
It's an island.
Did you know New York City's? Did you know New York's an island? Manhattan's an island.
Manhattan.
Did you know Manhattan's an island? So slowly, folks. It's like we don't want to wake anybody up as we come in. It's so quiet. An amazing trip, and I can't even express the words. We're on the bow of the boat of the ship coming into New York. How amazing is that? It's so cool. You see the entire city. So beautiful. Chance to sail out of New York, do it. You will not regret it. You get the most amazing views when you leave and when you come back. So when the cruise is over, it's not so sad. It's kind of like, wow. I feel like they must have felt when they, came into New York for the first time. Oh my God. So amazing. Oh, wait a minute. Look who's joined us. Kick you off the ship.
Down, little guy, or you're gonna get run over.
Look at, there's the Mexican ship. I think it's all better. Was it called the Constellation? It was the Mexican. It was a Constellation. It is. That's the name on
Yeah,
it.
it is. Too dark to really see. For my eyeballs. It's too dark for my eyeballs. But hey, just during the sign, time to get the hell off the boat.
Ooh, we pulling in. This is like the Staten Island Ferry, except it's much larger.
Only different.
Only different. So I'm assuming we're going there.
Yeah, we're going to 88. You guys went to 90 on the other ship.
Yep.
Oh, really? That's the $40 a day park.
Yeah.
It is very
I would say for it being so convenient, I would say for being so convenient on a short cruise, I think it'd be worth it. about?
Yeah, it's the old man that came up to us and said, you know, you guys, I don't know if you heard the thing. He says, you guys can leave. Oh no, Ronnie, Joey, the trivia contest, he says, you guys can leave. At the beginning of the contest, he says, you guys can leave and have a prove it all the time. And I said, oh, Rick, remember that? So I said, this guy got a lot of balls. So he's that kind of guy. What kind of company? I was thinking, well, what kind of company?